Well, it's time to take a trip because August is American Adventures Month.
Lifestyle expert Don McCarthy is here to celebrate the newest travel trends, and you've got a lot of them. Don, welcome.
Plenty.
Thank you, thank you. I just got back from the International Travel Goods Show, so we're going to start off here with the world's first luggage with a patented leg system. This is called PROPS Luggage. This was developed by a mom of 4 girls. You'll see, just for purposes of here on TV, you literally just push this down and the legs will pop up. This is a 22-inch, and they've just released this new 26-inch. So what these are going to do is these are going to prop up for you for when you travel. So no bending on the floor,
like not putting it on the gross floor.
And you put it on the table, but you can put it right on the floor too, like this.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're going to slip this around here. Sorry, we're trying to just keep it up here so you guys can see. And it's got the front top loading that you can just put all your stuff in. So again, you're not on the floor. The mom wanted to think of everything. And what's really nice when you're just even utilizing this when you travel, you can use this as a desk space. A lot of hotels in Europe and other places, they don't have a lot of tables, or even if you're at the airport and you're stuck with a layover, you can eat on this. The kids can work on it. You can do a little bit of everything with it. And it is, like I said, it was kind of exciting. This was all over, won some awards and stuff in the past with the first patented leg system. And it's kind of like wheels on luggage. I think, like, why didn't anybody else ever think of this? This is so smart.
It doesn't add too much extra weight?
No, 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 no. And again, like I said, this is brand new, the 26-inch now that you can actually check, but they've got the carry-on of what it does right there.
More sanitary, too, like that.
More sanitary, exactly. And then next up, we can't travel without beauty because we all care about our hair and how it's going to look depending on where it is that you're going. So this is Luseta's Beauty. This is the Rice Water Jet Set Strengthening Shine Kit. That's a big, long word. They were just at Cosmoprof, and I picked this up. This is one of their newest releases, and this is going to cleanse, condition, and nourish your hair.
And are these small enough that you can take these through TSA?
Yes, TSA approved.
That's always my downfall.
And these are inspired by the Red Yao, basically the beauty rituals of the fermented rice water up in the Longsheng Mountains.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
It smells very good. This is just like the hairspray that it comes with, which you're always wearing. So this is kind of really salon quality, powered by natural ingredients. You can even get these on Amazon. It's just a light mist too. It's not a real heavy hairspray and something. It does smell delicious is what I really love about it. But it's going to give you smoother, shiner, stronger hair in this whole set. But you don't have to do anything. You can just even get this at Amazon. It's already good to go. You can put this in for your daughters. Throw it in your thing. You've got the shampoos, the conditioner. You even have a hair mask. Let's say if you're going to some place where it's really dry and you need a little bit extra in it, like you just went to Hawaii and stuff if it wasn't raining.
Take us international.
Okay. Well, I'm going to take you guys both to Japan, but no passport required.
Oh, okay.
So this is Japan House LA, and this is a Japanese cultural destination in the heart of Hollywood, doing basically experience that showcase the best of Japan through basically free exhibitions, events, and programming. And right now they're celebrating Washoku, which is basically the traditions behind Japanese food culture. So everyone wants to go to Japan and talk about all of their different food. So this is going to be a really immersive opportunity for you to kind of go check out and really see what Japan's all about. They have a little store called Waza that I picked up all these goodies from so that you can try to put things into your own food at home. Little different things that they have. This is the bonito topping. They have actually some soap bombs down below as well. Chili sauce, tea, that you can actually feel like you went to Japan without having to leave California.
Without having to pay for that plane ticket.
Without having to plan. So again.
And Dawn, I want to get to this because this is my favorite thing because I'm always overpacking and I need more space.
This is going to give you 2 times more space. And again, this is, I got this on Amazon. This is the Wii Padre. So they've got a system where it's just going to be a vacuum system here where you're going to be able to just suction down put all of your stuff in it in here, and then you'll see it. Let me get
and it just sucks it all.
Yes, it's just going to suck it all down.
Okay.
It's going to be 2 times more space. It's compact.
And this is the backpack, right?
And this is the backpack that you're going to see there. I'm going to turn this off because it's a little loud. Yes, and so it's got stuff for your water bottles, like you've got the kids. It's got really good padding back here. This can slip over your backpack. It's got stuff and chargers inside of it. You can put your laptops and things like that as well.
Sounds like a great carry-on.
Yes, it is. If you're going to internationally, I don't know how people do it, but they can just travel with this backpack.
And then what are these washcloths?
Yeah, so these, if you don't have Lunatech washcloths, I'm turning you guys on to something. You're always out at the horses in the yard. So these are wonderful.
So unique.
They're washcloths. They dry in 10 to 15 minutes. There's no bacteria because they're not cotton.
I feel like they would also exfoliate a little bit.
Exfoliate your whole body because you know you don't want to use the cotton and stuff because they carry bacteria.
Right.
There's a 5-pack for under $20 on Amazon.
That.
And we're running out of time, so let's get to the last one.
So this is the footrest. If you're short girl friendly, they definitely have these that you want to travel with. It's got different chambers, or if you're not in first or business class and you want to be be able to stretch out
And
your
this is
legs.
how small it gets
This is
into?
how small
Perfect.
it gets, so
Oh,
you can
nice.
take it on. And then lastly, I cannot forget about the fly hearse. This is, we're going to undo this for you.
Okay, there we go.
Amanda's going to demonstrate this for us. So this is the hooded travel pillow. But what's so nice about this is it's got
I'll bend down for short girl over here.
so it's got a, I don't want to ruin her hair. This
It's
is so
okay.
this will go over here. So when she travels, she can basically
Good night,
cover.
Amanda.
Good night, Amanda.
I like
You
that I can
have
cover
just a-
my eyes.
Yes, so exactly. You can just put a little note on it if you say, just drop my drink here, or whatever you want, chicken or
Just
fish
give me
or
the
something.
wine.
They come in
Not
different
just
colors, but they're really great, but it's lightweight, which
It
is
is.
really nice.
And
so
I
you can
like it. You
sleep
can just
if you're
sleep.
taking a train ride or anything like that, just not flying on an airplane.
I like that.
All right, well, Dawn, thank you for being with us today. You always have some great tips and tricks. For more information on Dawn and everything you've seen here today, just head to our website, cbsla.com, and click on Seen on TV. And we'll be right back.
CBS LA is sponsored in part by 3-Day Blinds. You'll love the treatment.
Light. It guides